Fuel pump removal, 1996, Honda Civic. Tools required will be a 10mm, we used a pair of channel locks, a Phillips head screwdriver. The 10mm can also be used to remove the lower part of the back seat. Start by removing the 10mm fastener that holds the lower rear seat in place. Remove the lower portion of the rear seat. Tip the rear of the seat forward so you can unhook the two clips at the front. Remove the 4 Phillips head screws, retaining the access plate. With the screws removed, pry up on the cover to release it. With the access plate removed, disconnect the electrical connector. Then disconnect the low pressure return line. Disconnect the high pressure line by depressing the plastic tabs on the retaining clip. Remove the 6 fasteners holding the fuel pump in place. With the fasteners removed, carefully remove the fuel pump assembly.